Hello everyone, let's take a look at our next problem. Each of two boxes contains both black and white marbles, and the total number of marbles in the two boxes is 25. One marble is taken out of each box randomly. The probability that both marbles are black is 27 out of 50, and the probability that both marbles are white is m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers. What is m plus n? Okay, so I would like to just set up the system of equations that determine the probabilities of these things. I mean, we're going to define four different variables, which are the number of black and white marbles in each of the two boxes. We have some constraints that the number of marbles adds up to 25. We have a constraint on the probabilities of them both being black and so on. I think this is just going to be, it should be a fairly straightforward problem overall. And I'm just going to start doing the computations here. Okay, this ended up taking a lot longer than I expected. I was fumbling around a lot, but finally, I think I figured out the final answer here. I was able to deduce the number of marbles of each color in each box a little bit by guess and check, but I probably should have gone towards this method earlier. Like the 27 divided by 50 is... It struck me originally as kind of peculiar. 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So maybe I should have been led to believe earlier that B1 and B2 both had a lot of factors of 3 in them. And then, if you make some arbitrary guesses for what B1 and B2 are, where they are numbers that are divisible by, largely divisible by 3, this restricts you to what W1 and W2 can be. So here are the values of B1, of all the number of marbles in each box. And then once you have that, you can compute directly the probability of drawing 2 white marbles, which ends up being 1 over 25. Yeah, a lot of fumbling around. I was hoping to somehow figure out what the numbers were, what the variables were equal to a little bit more elegantly or directly rather than guessing and checking. But I got there in the end. Not sure if there's much more to say about this. I don't think it's possible. These numbers satisfy everything that's given in the question. They add up to 25. The probability that's given of black marbles is 27 over 50 with these numbers. So I don't think there could possibly be an error, but you never know. If I find one, I'll include it in the description, or if I have any additional comments, it'll be in the description. Thanks for watching.